Alright, so good morning everybody, welcome back to FERRARI Auto. It's actually afternoon by the time I'm filming this part, but I never introduced the video. We're working on Evan's F430 today, so yeah, let's get started. Just spacers today?
Spacers, I'm gonna try to, if I can't break these coilovers loose, and go ahead and lower it.
Oh, okay. I couldn't remember what you were doing for suspension.
And we're gonna use stock for now, see if we can do what we need to do. And if we can, then we'll run that for a little bit if it rides like crap.
Go from there. Ooh. Oh, you're converting it? Or no?
Studs.
Oh, it's a little stud conversion.
Get a stud installer. This is the proper way to do it. So it's got a little ball in there.
Yeah.
You put the ball in this stud installer. Thread this down just a little bit, not too much, so break it. And the stud goes in here. Put the blue Loctite on it. Torque it down to 40 foot-pounds, and that's it.
So that side goes.
This will go
Oh, that's how it goes.
Yep.
Okay.
This.
What's the benefit of doing studs versus just normal?
It just makes life easier. Low enough.
Oh.
Need longer studs. Yeah. Damn. Should be good.
A little bit of poke.
Wow. Okay. That sucks.
Well.
Okay.
Never mind. Oh, you got the spacer. So these are 20mm hub centric ones.
Yep.
Which
For all around.
don't get non-hub centric. Your life will be hell.
Size those studs are.
And he's running these spacers for his real set of wheels. So now F430 is just weird.
What size did you get on your 458 studs? You remember?
90mm.
So you went 90? I
Yeah.
think these are 75. I can't remember what size they are. The 15.
You see, the problem is these are recessed.
Yeah.
I mean, on a Porsche, they're not. And this, how big again? 25 or 20?
20.
Are you sure it's a 20?
Mm-hmm.
25. Yeah. Did he thread it all the way in? I remember on, like, where's one of these at? Oh, well, that's about right. Where do you get these from?
Same place, Motorsport.
Yeah.
90, that's 15mm. That might.
Oh, where's the stud going now?
It really literally backs it almost flush with that.
Well, you gotta think if that is flush, right then.
Oh yeah,
The thread is gonna be flush.
Yeah, it's gonna
I don't know if you can get anything over 90.
Good morning, Billy.
31.5, is that right?
Good morning. What was that?
31.5?
What do you mean? The back?
Yeah.
That's the back.
That's the back.
Big boy. I like the step look.
Yeah. Do you have a rear too? That way I can just.
So ABS wheels that immediately got stripped look like ET30. It's gonna be a rear.
Cool.
Got it.
Oh yeah. Oh no. How sick does that look though?
It eats the entire caliper. Like, it looks good. So, what? Just big,
Oh, it's in this corner. I mean,
just barely.
it's just barely missing here.
Looks. Wow.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4". We were skating on Dayton's.
Just.
Skating on Dayton's, baby. What are you gonna do to those wheels?
It's gonna look like that. He's done.
No, no.
Alright, well, I guess we will still try to lower it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So it's been a couple hours. Evan stopped working on the suspension part. Just gonna wait on that. He's just wiring things now. Oh, touchscreen. You bougie. There is pretty bad signal in here. I got in the Huracan, there's no signal. Do you want to try and connect a phone?
To do it. Does that work?
Sure, are you stealing radio?
We requested the person that sent
Just clamp it.
Clamp it.
Maybe.
Clamp the clamp.
Falling apart on me. Just clamp it down and seal that good.
Sheesh! It's a hell of an exhaust there, buddy.
I really don't want to tear any of this stuff till it's down at the shop. Powder coated. That powder coated. Valve cover's powder coated. And then pulling the headers, cats out, replacing all that. The thing that I'm somewhat worried about is
Welded.
coated out. Coated out.
Like an F. Oh, yeah, that one. Genuine Ferrari parts. Wow. There you go. There you go. What brand of diffuser? Or
Challenge diffuser. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what I did with it. It might be in there.
somewhere.
This you should come down to
Wow.
pretty large.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, not a lot, but I should even roll a tag.
What if you like even up there?
No, it's covered by exhaust.
Oh yeah. That's not bad at all.
Alright, so if I want to drive it,
This.
put the tag on it, I'm gonna get somewhere.
Oh yeah, then take it off. That's not bad. You gotta see the weight of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. As you guys can see, I didn't really change much from the intro, but spacers were, I don't know if he's going to end up getting 25mm spacers or what he's going to end up doing. We'll figure something out. But anyways, fronts don't clear, the pack's clear. He tried to work on the suspension, but again, it's all C's, so we're just going to wait until it's on the lift and power tools and better situation than just sitting on the ground and trying to mess with it. As far as the Bluetooth connection that he was working on, I don't think that's resolved yet, so we'll figure that out as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.